In today's video, I will walk you through how to accept online payments with Square. Start by adding a section to your website for the product or service you want to sell. Add the information for the service or product, then add a button that customers can click to continue to check out. The button should link to a Square payment page instead of collecting credit card information directly on your website. This allows customers to move from your website to the Square checkout page to complete their payment. To create the payment page in Square, go to the left menu and select Payments. From there, choose Payment Links. You can then create a new payment link or open an existing one to edit it. Inside the payment link settings, enter the title for your service or product and add the amount you want to charge. After that, choose the payment frequency. If you want customers to make a single payment, select the one-time payment option. If you want to charge customers on a recurring basis for a membership or subscription, select the recurring payment option instead. Next, add a description for the payment page. You can also upload an image if you want to include one with the payment link. After completing those details, set up the redirect after checkout. In the payment link settings, enter the URL for the thank you page on your website. Once the customer finishes the payment process, they will automatically be redirected to that page. You can then review your payment settings and disable Afterpay or Affirm if you do not want those payment methods available during checkout. Continue by completing your account setup. Link your bank account so payments can be processed correctly. Then adjust your branding settings if needed. You can update profile details and customize colors within the settings section. Once everything is connected, the payment process becomes straightforward for customers. A visitor arrives on your website, reads the details for the service or product, and clicks the purchase button. They are then redirected to the Square payment page where they can complete the checkout process. After the payment is submitted, the customer receives a receipt from Square and is automatically redirected to the thank you page you connected earlier in the setup process. You can continue updating your website section, payment page, descriptions, images, and branding settings whenever needed. You can also edit your payment link at any time by returning to the payment links section inside Square. That's the full setup for accepting online payments with Square through your website. Thank you for watching.